grab your leftover holiday bags and then grab twine and wrap it around the top. Now make a triple knot so that the pendant that you use will stay fixed. Add it to the triple knot, position it, and fix it. With this gold theme, you can't go wrong for your New Year's gift. Second idea is to use ribbon in place. So simply tie that at the top and then add a pre-made bow, center it, and then tie it in. Next, grab your favorite pendant and attach it to the top. I have two here, the first being a diamond encrusted snowflake, perfect for our winter's theme, and the other is a diamond encrusted pendant. Once that is in place, trim the bottom of the ribbon, fix and adjust as needed. Voila, you now have a pretty, packaged, and perfect present to gift.